Welcome to part 3, KDP Rocket's Competition Analyzer feature. In this video, we're going to explore the Competition Analyzer feature and how to best check the book competition using its numbers. And with that, let's begin. There are two ways in which you can implement the Competition Analyzer of KDP Rocket. If you're currently using the keyword search feature of KDP Rocket, after clicking the Analyze button, it will turn into a Check Competition button. Clicking this, it will take you to the competition analyzer for the particular keyword. The second way to check the competition is to click the competition analyzer button on the home page or the competition button at the top of KDP Rocket and type in a keyword phrase you would like to analyze the competition for. Once on the competition analyzer page, KDP Rocket will list the top books that show up on the first page of Amazon results for that particular term. Understand you may see some differences on this page than you would if you went to Amazon and did the search yourself. This is because Amazon results are affected by your personal search history, your account, buying habits, and even to a lesser degree, your location. So to combat this, KDP Rocket is pulling straight from Amazon HQ without any of those biased values and is thus a better representation of the common market search. Looking at the competitor analysis results, you can see that KDP Rocket gives you the basic book information for each book, like title, subtitle, author name, and days since it was first published. By the way, if you do see a negative number for the publishing days, that's because the book is currently listed for pre-orders and will launch in that many days. KDP Rocket also gives you the Amazon bestseller rank, tells you if the keyword is in the title and subtitle, the number of reviews, review grade, price, daily estimated sales, and monthly estimated sales, and the ability to see the book's sales page by clicking this link. Also, if you'd like to see that book's cover, just click anywhere on that book's row, and it will show up here on the bottom of the left corner. And finally, in the bottom right corner is our Unleash the Categories feature. By clicking this button, KDP Rocket will list the book and Kindle category strings for all of the books listed in the competition analyzer results. If you'd like to check out the category page of a certain string, just click it and that page will automatically open up. And finally, if you'd like to export this information, no problem. Just click the export button, name the file, tell your computer where you want it to be saved, and voila, you've got your data. With this, you can now look at each potential competitor and learn more about them and how to beat them. So this concludes our look at the competition analyzer of KDP Rocket. In the next video, we'll take a look at the AMS keyword feature and how best to use that. I'll see you there.